Alright guys, I made an adjustment to my spine tester. I turned my digital indicator upside down and put a hook of wire. So now it automatically resets and I can put the weight on and see that it's 0.589, which is just a little over 45 pounds. And now what I'm planning on doing, because I didn't know that everything was messing up before, when I want a target arrow, I can move it, like if I move it down a little, and then I test again. Let me zero. I move it down a little, and then I put the weight on, and this time it's 0.72. So that is 35-pound arrow, 1 inch past this point and 1 inch past that point. So now I can actually make my arrows to the spine that I want instead of guessing when I cut the bamboo shafts. I'm really excited about this, and it's real easy to make. It's just a board, cheap dial indicator from digital dial indicator from Harbor Freight. It costs 22 bucks. A piece of scrap wood and some angle irons. So if you're building your own arrows, especially sapling arrows, where you're not buying them, you know, like I cut this bamboo, I don't know what spine that is. You know, I would go for size. And the way I make my bows, it doesn't really matter that much, because if this is the string of the bow, I put the string towards the left side for me, or the right side for you know, lefties, and that allows to not be so sensitive to spine. I don't put it outside of the handle, but I put it, you know, towards the left side, so spine doesn't matter as much. And that's Jimmy's, you know, sticks and stones tip for the day.